Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst for SuperForex. Today, we'll be looking at the technical analysis on the currency pair Euro USD, and first we'll be talking about fundamentals before we move right down to technicals, which is purely what we've seen on the chart. Now, we have seen that Euro USD pairs are in the market testing the 1.0800 mark, and the Fed and the US debt ceiling remains the key focus. Euro USD fell at the start of the week and remained on the back foot on Monday, with price testing the 1.08 level within a phase of consolidation for the main part. Euro USD is down nearly 2% for the month, reversing 2 straight months of gain, while the US dollar stays firm on the expectations that grew that US rates will remain higher for longer. Now, the focus was on the chorus of Federal Reserve speakers at the start of the week, with some hinting that the central bank still has more to go in tightening monetary policies. Firstly, the Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari argued that US rates may have to go north of 6%, and St. Louis Fed President James Bullard said that the central bank may still need to raise by 0.5%. Because the US dollar is solid as money markets are pricing in roughly 26% chance that the Fed will deliver another 25 basis point rate hike next month. Also, expectations of interest rate cuts later this year have also been scaled back, with rates seen holding at around 4.7% by December, while elsewhere the debt ceiling deadline in the United States remains a concern. President Joe Biden and House Speaker Kevin McCarthy ended discussions on Monday with no headway made on how to raise the US government's $1.4 trillion debt ceiling. And we'll keep talking with just 10 days before a possible default. With the June 1 X date rapidly approaching, markets will look for signs of progress on a debt ceiling deal, Analyst at TD Securities has said. While there has been some positive overtures from both sides, the work is not yet complete. Markets appear to be assuming that negotiations are a done deal, suggesting that any soaring in tone as negotiations play out could upset risk sentiment. So what to expect from this on a technical level? We are seeing a daily SMA 20, 50, 100, and 200 to be 1.0941, 1.0896, 1.0809, 1.047 respectively. And today's last price, we have it at 1.0804, minus 0.0009, and total daily change of minus 0.08. And today's daily open, we have it at 1.0813. And of course, we are seeing expectations of a move up back to a new zone at 1.08394, which is at about 43 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, Euro USD. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we'll be having a look at Amazon. And we see that Amazon lets users buy alcohol with its palm scanning payment system, which is the latest headlining. Amazon added an 8 verification feature to its palm-based payment system that enables users to buy alcohol by swiping their hand. And the company debuted a system called Amazon One in 2020. Amazon One is now being used in some restaurants and stadiums, as well as several of Amazon's grocery chains. Now, key points to this is that Amazon is adding a feature to its palm-based payment system that will allow users to buy alcohol by swiping their hand. The system called Amazon One lets people pay items by placing their palm over a scanning device to purchase alcohol. Users have to upload government-issued ID on the Amazon website. And the company has said that this, of course, is providing some stimulus in the market. And although we are seeing a little bit of a decline in Amazon, we're expecting a reversal of the market. We've had at least to the most recent resistance at 117.35, which is about 32 pips from the entry point, and a possible extension or a breakout of that zone. Checking our 4 hours time frame, we are looking at clear new zones from the upside that shows 116.26 thereabout, down to 118.00 course, which we can say good money from that. So if we were to make an entry on this point and let our trade run up to that point, we're looking at about 39 to 40 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market Amazon. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.